Okay, so let's get into this marriage of 30 plus years.
30 plus years, 29 years married, 4 children later, 3 grandchildren with one on the way, with another one on the way.
So talk to us about what that's like. Like, what's that like being, on the side of someone who is like in the spotlight all the time and you having to manage through that?
Well, it has its challenges, of course, because you can't go nowhere without anybody wanting a picture or an autograph. They don't even ask for autographs anymore. Everybody wants a picture now. It has its challenges, but Todd and I have been able to really balance life. Of course, me, because I'm the homemaker. I'm home raising the kids while he was out doing his thing and working and supporting each other's dreams and a level of respect. And, of course, marriage itself has its challenges, right? But you got to have God first. I stay on my knees. You got to stay on your knees praying.
And always.
Always. I'm married to a sex symbol. Growing up, when we first got together, I've had my times where I would be going off and, mad at this one because they looked at him this way. And, but that was years ago. Todd and I got married in 95, and his cousin, Marion gave me this book called The Power of a Praying Wife. And when I first started reading the book, I remember I put the book down because, we have a tendency of praying and being like, Lord, change him. Lord, make him this way. Lord, make him that way. But the first thing that I read in that book was that you have to change yourself. It's about changing yourself. You can't change nobody. You can't change your children. You can raise your children and you can instill values and good morals and you can have standards and you can have boundaries and all of that, but you can't change anybody. You can change yourself. And that's what I did. I changed myself.
What did you need to change about yourself?
Being flipped with the mouth all the time, going off about this, just
being in around the way, girl.
I've always been confident in who I am. So I know what I bring to the table as a wife. So, I got to a point where, women will come up to me and they'll be like, oh my God, your husband is so fine. And I'll be like, girl, I know. You think I could get a picture with him? Sure, go on and ask him for a picture. Just don't be disrespectful. The disrespect I can't deal with.
Right.
The disrespect, I'm at 54.
Off the hoops at that point.
54, I'm ready to take off the hoop. It's about knowing who you are. And I know who Simone is. I know who Simone is.
How long did it take you to get to that place where you know who Simone